Hello friends, this is Sparsha. Hope all of you are in good health. The current situation, the series of bad news and worries devastated our life. Please stay safe and careful. Follow the COVID protocol strictly is my honest request to you all. After praying normalization of everything, I am starting my video today in which I will be sharing my Karonda tree in a 10-inch pot on my terrace. In Bengali, we call this fruit koromcha and in Hindi Karonda. The scientific name is Carissa Carandas. This shrub grows well almost all over India, but specially plentiful in Western Ghat area of Konkan and Maharashtra. This fruit is well grown in almost whole of Southeast Asia. The fruits have immense nutritional value, being rich in iron, vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium and phosphorus. In ancient Ayurveda, the medicinal value of this fruit, leaves or even the roots are also mentioned. Age of this plant is more or less 10 years. It was almost 10 to 12 inch tall and had only few leaves when I brought it from nursery. Since then, this plant is in this 10-inch pot only and I didn't repot it. This plant grows well in almost all kind of soil. I prepared the soil mix with 50% garden soil, 30% cow dung compost, 20% vermicompost and with fistful of neem cake powder and the bone meal. This evergreen plant loves summer and remain super happy if they receive full day sunlight. Water requirement is also very less for them. Since I have installed drip irrigation to all my plants, it is receiving measured amount almost daily, but otherwise in summer alternate day and in winter once a week watering is enough for them. Excess water is killer for these plants. So please remember to keep the proper drainage hole at the bottom of the pot. Their food requirement is also minimal. A fistful of compost, bone dust and banana peel 3 times a year is more than sufficient. Like all other plants, I spray neem oil 1500 ppm 5 ml per liter every 15 days. I never saw any pest on these plants till date. One word of caution here. This plant has very big thorns and they are very painful. So take care when applying manure or while harvesting the fruits. There is every chance that you can injure yourself. Keep it safe from babies and pets. In winter, this evergreen plant presents itself in a very different way. They look very attractive when they get a pink shade on their leaves at this time. Just after the winter, the plant again turn lush green and start fresh growth with plenty of flowers. The flowers are very short-lived but extremely attractive in look. They are bright white and dark pink stalk, as you can see. Most of the flowers turn into fruit in very short time. At first, they are light pink, then gradually they turn to deep pink and almost red and ultimately turn maroon. Initially, the taste is sour, but as they mature, they turn little bit sweet too. It is very rare to find in India who haven't tasted the pickle of these Karonda fruits. some more important information. You can collect this plant from nursery, usually which is readily available. Though I don't have any personal experience, but I have heard they can be grown from seeds and cutting too. But the important message here is, it took 2 years to bear the fruit in my case. So you have to keep patience to have the fruit on your plant. Throughout the summer, this plant will have fruits on them and it will continue till early monsoon. In this time, this plant will also grow in size with many branches. So after monsoon, I prune this plant to keep it in proper shape, which actually I do for most of the fruit plants on my terrace. You can plant this in a bigger pot, and in that case you will get more fruit and the plant will be much bigger. But I'll keep in this 10-inch pot only. In this video, I mentioned the care of Karonda plants, about their soil, water requirement, manure, pesticides and pruning as far as practicable in limited span of time. If you have any other question, ask me in the comment box. I'll try to answer as per my knowledge. If the video has helped you, press the like button, share it with your friends, and to get more such videos, stay subscribed. Thank you for viewing the video.